Hi, welcome. Today we are in urbanization Monte Alameda. We have here a one-bedroom property which will be perfect for a little couple to enjoy a beautiful holiday here in Costa del Sol. You will be here very close to all the golf that this area has to offer. You'll be a couple of minutes driving from the village Benahavis, 5-10 minute driving from San Pedro de Alcantara, and a couple of minutes more from the coast to enjoy all kind of beach activities that the Costa del Sol has to offer. This private urbanization is located in the middle of the countryside, and you will have a beautiful infinite swimming pool with a panoramic view all around the area. Now, come with me and let me show you the property we have here. So, last but not least, we are here in the private garden of this urbanization. As you can see all around, there's a lot of tropical plants to give you a little summery holiday vibe. And we have here this beautiful infinite pool with magnificent views on the Costa del Sol. So if you like this property and you would like to enjoy all what Costa del Sol has to offer, feel free to reach us. I'm sure we will find something for you and we will be able to book this property for your next holiday. So, what are you waiting? See you soon.